Hey there, this is Daniel back again, Pikes Peak Harley-Davidson. I am the shop foreman here. I am sorry that we missed you last week, but we are back again this week with our holiday gift guide and tech tip. Okay, the first couple things we're going to talk about is for the motorcycle lover in your life. All of these products are universal. They are not Harley-Davidson specific. All right, the first thing that we're going to talk about today is going to be this guy right here. It looks pretty small, but it does a lot for you. This is a dual function piece. It is a, as you can see, air pressure gauge, and then on this side right here, actually a tread depth gauge, which is pretty simple to use because it is just a simple push and play. Not a smoke detector that the battery is running low. Because it's just a 9-volt battery that we gotta replace. Oosh. And this guy right here is similar to our first product. This is a digital tire pressure gauge only, and I'm gonna show you guys how to use it. As you can see here, we do have our tread depth gauge that is green, yellow, and red. Green is going to be all good. We like green. Whenever we get to yellow, which is around 3:30 seconds, that is a safety warning for us on your tires. And that is 3:30 seconds and 2:30 seconds. Whenever we get down to red, which is right down here, that is 1:30 second. Your wear bar is passed and your tires are going to be eating a lot faster. I'm going to show you how to use this now. All you have to do with this guy right here is push this big piece on top to expose our tread depth gauge underneath. Find a tread that does not have a wear bar. Try to center it as best as you can. Push it down and make sure it's nice and even. This bike right now says it has 5:30 seconds. Now I'm going to show you how to check the air pressure on your tires. Take your valve cap off, apply steady pressure to the Schrader valve, and as you can see, we're at 30 PSI, which means that it is a good thing we checked. Our next product here is going to be our Harley-Davidson jump box, 12 volt, 1000 amp. I gotta tell you guys, this is one of my favorite products. I have one myself. It stays in my backpack whether I'm riding on my motorcycle or driving in my car. This is a great gift because if you are stranded on the side of the road or you went out and your battery is now dead, you can jump this to your motorcycle, and I'm gonna show you how to do it. All right, so on your bike for your starter, you have a nut with a threaded piece with a rubber boot over it. That is a direct line to your battery. Now do not do this with vehicles. Do this with a jump box. All you have to do, positive to that threaded piece, negative grounded to case, turn it on, and if your jump box is gaining, that means that you have a good connection. And all you have to do is turn your bike on. And the last product in our gift guide is going to be the battery tender itself. This guy is super handy. I think that everybody should have one, especially over storage months. This one in particular is multifaceted. You can use AGM, you can use dry cell battery, and you can use lithium batteries with this tender itself. All right, if you do not know what a battery tender is, this guy right here will keep your battery charged over long periods of storage. If you are taking a season off, if you are taking a month off, it is a great idea to plug this into your bike. This plugs into the battery tender lead, or pigtail as is more commonly known, and I'm going to show you how to plug that into. As I said earlier, we have 3 different modes and a 6-volt mode. We have a normal battery, which is going to be dry cell, AGM, and lithium. So all you got to do with this guy, your bike will come with a battery tender lead on it. Plug it in and put it on the correct mode. All of our batteries are going to be AGM batteries. This is a great product for colder climates over long periods of not riding. That way, whenever you get to your bike during riding season, you don't have a dead battery. Thank you for joining our holiday gift guide and tech tip. If you have anything you want to hear or see us talk about, leave it in the comments. Once again, I am Daniel at Pikes Peak Harley-Davidson. Hope to see you on the road. All right. Yeah. I'm glad we're doing this.